राम राम सा आप सबने दीपावली री घनी घनी शुभकामनावां। आज आपसे रूबरू होने को पर्पज वो है कि एक प्रसिद्ध राजस्थानी कहानी संग्रह जिनरो नाम किया, अब आप देख रहे हो, अब आ किया बन चुकी है कैसे नोवा। देखो, तो आज आप लाइव में हाँ और में आप जानांगा कि आज की किया बनी कैसे नोवा। तो आज की जर्नी स्टार्ट हुई किया शू कैसे नवा बननगी भी। मैं 3 मुख्य सूत्रधार जी का हा बा मैं मनोज कुमार जी स्वामी जी का किया ओरिजिनल जी की किताब है, बिंग राइटर। नंबर 2 भूपेंद्र जी नायक। भूपेंद्र जी नायक की बात अगर मैं थाने बताऊं तो जी की राजस्थानी कहानी संग्रह मनगत गो इंग्लिश में ट्रांसलेशन बा करो और फिल्थी पीपल नाम शो। और जब तक मन लगे तो पहली किताब है जिकी प्योरली राजस्थानी शू इंग्लिश में ट्रांसलेट हुई है। तो ये है भूपेंद्र जी, आगे मैं भूपेंद्र जी को, मनोज जी को, और नंबर 3 पर जी का है मोनिका जी गढ़वाल। और जिकी कैसे नोवा किताब है अपनी बिंगो सारो को सारो क्रेडिट जावे मोनिका जी ने। तो हाँ तीनों को मैं थाने परिचय भी कराऊंगा। आगे जी को राइटर्स नोट है बिंग पर आप डिस्कशन करांगा। तो आज को लाइव को अपना पर्पज हो कि मैं थाने बताऊं कि एक किया शू कैसे नवा बनने को सफर किया रहे हो। अब यहाँ बैठ के जिको बुक पढ़ने को आनंद आवे वो एक अलग ही आवे। तो अपन जी कैसे नवा ओपन करांगा और फर्स्ट पेज के पीछे जिको फ्लैप है बे में अपन मिलेगो मोनिका जी को इंट्रो। तो इंट्रो में लिखा है मोनिका गढ़वाल was born on 14 September 1997 in a village named Losana Chota, which is approximate 30 kilometers away from the district headquarters of Churu, Rajasthan। यानी चूरू से बिलोंग करे मोनिका जी। She completed her schooling from the government school in the village and the Bachelor of Arts from the Government Lohia College, Churu. Further, she completed Master of Arts from the Central University of Rajasthan, Kishangarh, Ajmer with first grade. It's really appreciable. She is UGC NET qualified. She is an avid reader and inspiring youth and the sports-loving person by nature. She can be reached at her mobile number 810-7375861 and her email ID monicagadwal97@gmail.com, and you can also reach her on Facebook monica.gadwal.3। ये हाँ मोनिका जी और बांगो इंट्रो। अब जी का ई बुक का सूत्रधार अगर मैं बात करूं तो भूपेंद्र जी नायक। अपन भूपेंद्र जी के बारे में बात करेंगे थोड़ी सी। और भूपेंद्र जी अब राजस्थानी साहित्य में अनजान व्यक्तित्व को नहीं, क्योंकि वे ऑलरेडी एक बुक को ट्रांसलेशन कर चुका, मनगत कहानी संग्रह बिंगो ट्रांसलेशन अभी थोड़ा दिन पहले ही आपने विचार लायो द फिल्थी पीपल नाम से। तो अपन इंट्रो देखांगा आप भी भूपेंद्र जी नायक को। अब मैं खुद कंफ्यूज हूँ कि मैं भूपेंद्र जी को वो इंट्रो आप शू करवाऊँ जिको मैं व्यक्तिगत अनुभव शू लियो, या फिर जिको ऑफिशियली इन बुक के फ्लैप पर जिको इंट्रो दे रहा है वो इंट्रो ये भूपेंद्र जी वो इंट्रो मैं थन कराऊँ। तो एक बार जिको फ्लैप वाला इंटरव्यू वही मैं आपसे करवाऊँ भी। बाद में एक भूपेंद्र से बात करके एक सेपरेट वीडियो आप बनावांगा। मेरी बातचीत से होती रहे, सोशल मीडिया पर काफ़ी एक्टिव रहे, इंस्टाग्राम फेसबुक पर काफ़ी एक्टिव रहे भूपेंद्र जी। सो भूपेंद्र नायक वॉज बोर्न ऑन 5 अगस्त 1986 to Shri Deen Dayal Naik and Shrimati Saraswati Naik in a village named Hirnawali, which is 15 kilometers away from the district headquarters of Hanumangarh, Rajasthan। यानी पड़ोसी जिले से यहाँ पे आपनो गंगानगर वांगो हनुमानगढ़। He completed his primary education from a school in the village and higher schooling from Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya. He is UGC NET and Rajasthan Slate qualified and holding a postgraduate degree in computer science also. Currently he is pursuing PhD network issues. Really good. From Northeastern Hill University, Shillong में अभी PhD आगे चलने लग रही है। Beside this, he is also serving the nation as an air warrior. Salute for you, Bhupender ji. Along this, he has to his credit many research papers published in the journals and conferences of international reputes. His other published work include a Hindi poetry book titled Sartika Smriti Avshesh and a short story book titled The Filthy People, translation of original title Mangat, written in Rajasthani by Manoj Kumar Swami, and he can be reached at His mobile number 8607044663 and email bhupender.naik@gmail.com. So now let us talk about the original writer of this book, Mr. Manoj Kumar Swamy. Earlier this book was known as Kiyan, now it's known as the Casanova also, and the writer is Mr. Manoj Kumar Swamy. And in his intro, Manoj Swamy was born on 31st of May 1962 in Suratgarh, a small town of Rajasthan. He has been writing continuously in his mother tongue Rajasthani. His published work in Rajasthani language include Tantade Ra Ansu, collection of plays 2003, Kacho Soot, collection of short stories 2005, Beti, collection of poetries 2009, Recharge, collection of plays 2010, Imdad, collection of short stories again 2012, Kiyan, collection of short stories 2014, Nav Aur Jal, translation of Malayalam novel Machware 2014, Khechal Aur Khechal, the first Rajasthani autobiography in 2015, Ramlila, a play 2017, Topa Topa June, translation of Hindi novel Katra Katra Jindagi 2017, Kadku, an autobiographical novel 2019, Mangat, collection of short stories 2019, Kothe Khadak Singh, translation of a Punjabi novel Kothe Khadak Singh 2019, and Sarhindro Sako, a play 2020. एक बार सांस लेना पड़ेगा मैंने. So Chul, collection of short stories 2021, translation of Gujarati novel Chhavni 2021. He is among the core team struggling for the inclusion of Rajasthani in the 8th schedule of Indian Constitution. He has been conferred with the many awards like Bal Sahitya Award by Rajasthani Language, Literature and the Cultural Academy 2006, Nanuram Sanskarta Sahitya Samman 2012, and the Kendriya Sahitya Academy's Translation Award in 2018 are only a few among others. Recently, his book Mangat has been translated into English by Bhupender Naik with the title The Filthy People. He can be reached at 94145-80960 and manojswamy2011@gmail.com. So this is all about the writer's team. Now we are going towards the main book, and firstly I'm going to start with the translator's note. अब जे ਆਪਾਂ ट्रांसलेटर्स नोट करनी चलेंगे तो अपन एक चीज़ फील होएगी कि अपन ये लगा को कि जी मोनिका जी आपने करने और वर्बली अपन सारी चीज़ें बताने लग रहे हैं. मैं आपने बताऊं द आइडिया ऑफ ट्रांसलेटिंग द ओरिजिनल टाइटल किया इनटू इंग्लिश वाज अब्रप्ट as the beginning of this note. On a wintry evening this year, when I checked my cell phone, there was a text from the research scholar and author named Bhupender Naik. There were 2 snapshots of a story written in Rajasthani. He asked me to translate these 2 pages into English. He knew me because of a short conversation through Facebook where I had asked him about some work and eminent Rajasthani authors, Mr. Ram Swaroop Kisan ji. I told him about my research and the department with which I was associated. On seeing his text at the first, I just refused, citing my lack of expressions in the field of translations. However, he assured me not to worry and try my expertise. He said that I might get a good opportunity if it comes out good enough. So the very next day, I sent him the translated version of those 2 pages snapshots. Though I was not hoping to grab any opportunity, but to my surprise, his response was so positive. He asked me to work on a translation project in collaboration with him. Therefore, I found out these snapshots of the pages were from a story of Rajasthani author Manoj Kumar Swamy. He asked me to read Manoj Kumar Swamy's work in original if possible. I had to decide only after reading whether I was comfortable and confident enough about translating it. Accordingly, I read stories of Manoj Kumar Swami sir and found them mesmerizing, devastatingly beautiful and soul-touching. I wondered how these wonderful gems of literature was hidden from my sight and my reach. For me, it was like coming across from the hidden treasure. So without wasting much time, I confirmed my big yes to the translation project, and friends, that was the moment I boarded the exciting journey. The process of translation is quite laborious and full of the challenges. One has not only to translate the words and sentences from one language into another, but also has to keep in the mind the cultural ethos difference between the local and global, peculiar terminology and proverbs of the original. Thus, translating word and culture is expected simultaneously. Moreover, translating any work from its original language to English can never be a perfect and as engaging as the original. Some loopholes always remains there. Quoting one of my professors, what would you call roti in English? Hence, there are some nuances and deep-rooted words for those English equivalents are distort the entire meaning. So I have kept some peculiar native cultural word intact, providing footness for them. I enjoy the entire journey of the reading and translating. It has been a great learning experience for me since I am not a professional translator and anything of the sort. I need time to learn and improve so much yet. The insightful feedbacks and response are more than welcomes of this. The stories of the collection are mostly woven around the folks of Rajasthan and the ongoing everyday tensions of our daily life. The stories take up the issues of women in the rural areas and the small towns. They also discuss the complex politics and the election, the self-centered attitude, the corrupt system, caste hegemony, and the rural-urban divide, superstitions, and the double standard of society. I hope you would love to read in English whatever Manoj Kumar Swami has told in Rajasthani. So folks, happy reading. There are some people to whom I want to express my gratitude. First of all, I am thankful to my collaborator, Mr. Bhupender Nayak, for motivating me to finish this project in the stipulated timeless and the translating the last 4 stories all by himself. It's great. Second, I am grateful to the author of the original title, Mr. Manoj Kumar Swami sir, for showing his faith in me, helping me whenever I struck with the certain words and showering his affection. Big thanks to my parents for sustaining and supporting me during the uncertain crisis period. Last but not least, I express my thanks to my friends and the peers, Nisha Paliwal, Sachin Yaduvanshi, to withstand me throughout. So guys, this is all about the translator's note, and you know very well who she is, Monica Gadwal, and this is the book, The Casanova, written, translated from Rajasthani by Monica Gadwal and Mr. Bhupender Nayak, and original writer Mr. Manoj Kumar Swami. तो आ ही आज की बात ਆਪਾਂ कियां बनी कैसनोवा पर एक छोटी सी चर्चा मैं थार सके करी, वन वे चर्चा ही बोलो, मैं सिर्फ हो सुना जेका सुनना चाहो भी सुना, बट अगर पॉसिबल हो तो आगे का जेका वीडियो आप लेगा आवांगा कैसनोवा से रिलेटेड, तो मैं आप जी स्टोरीज है कैसनोवा की, आई होप कि स्टोरी मैं थार तक डिलीवर करूं या आप बात करांगा मोनिका जी शू और भूपेंद्र जी शू, अगर पॉसिबल हो तो आप एक जनरल डिस्कशन स्टोरी टेलिंग राउंड जी के आप वीडियो के माध्यम से मिल लांगा और आप भी स्टोरी लाइव सुन सकोगा मेरा थ्रू, मोनिका जी के थ्रू या फिर भूपेंद्र जी के थ्रू। जब तक राम राम, आप सगला वीडियो देखो, आप घणो घणो आभार। एक बार फिर हूँ आप सबने दिवाली की घनी घनी राम राम।